Hey there, Josiah at Angletech here. I'm just doing a quick tutorial on this 850C display and its functions. So to get started, you're going to do a 3-second hold of the power button. That will get you fired up. And then once you see your display, you'll notice there's some information displayed down here at the bottom. To cycle through that, you're just going to do a single click of the power button. You can kind of see there's different things showing up down here: max speed, average speed, trip time, and so forth. To zero out this information, you're going to do a 3-second hold of the plus and minus. You can see that zeroed out your trip time. To change your pedal assist level, which is shown by this 1 right here, you're just going to hit plus and minus, and that's going to be 1 through 5 or 1 through 9 depending on your system settings. Another function of this power button is the double click, which will get you into your main menu. From here you can navigate plus and minus and select with the power button. In here you can change things like your language, you can change the metric system if you prefer, your clock, and some other things. There's a few other settings down here that you could get into and probably mess some stuff up. So I'm just going to go down here to exit and hit select, and that's pretty much the whole thing. Thank you very much. Have a good day.